First mystery package of the year. Want to know what's inside? Well, enough talk. Watch these, fuckers. Welcome back, fuckers. It seems that we received a mystery box from our friends from JMT BNO, and I'm really curious on what's inside of it, so let's get to it.
Let's start unboxing this package. Heavy duty. Oh. Right, so what else in here? Oh, it goes vinyl spring or beehive spring, I'm not sure. Just working on the vinyl section. Oh, another spring. Wow. Oh, nice. So we got two different springs, two different looks. Nice. And we got the bracket. Something bracket for the seat and for the frame. Nice. Nice. So, nice. Nice. Springs. Nice finish. Chrome. Of course, chrome will always get you home. Very nice.
Alright, so you see this, because usually when you buy solo seats like this, sometimes they're just made of fiberglass and lightweight, but this one seems heavy, so it must be using metal for its base or like steel. So we got this fridge magnet. Whoa! Alright, it's a good sign. It's made of steel for the base. Nice. So we got these nuts and washers as well. Okay, nice finish on the springs. So we got two different types of springs we could use to mount this. And we also got this bracket. This bracket, if you don't have this, you're gonna have to fabricate one. But since it has a bracket along with the package, it's very nice. So I think we got a request from our friends here, and it says, "Hi, Mr. Clueless. Would it be possible to install that particular solo seat to two different style of bikes, or is it just good for one style of bike, like a bobber or a chopper?" Well, fortunately, we do have two bikes here of the opposite end of the spectrum when it comes to custom bikes, so enough talk and watch these, fuckers. So Oh wow, so that's how easy it is to install that solo motorcycle seat on two different style of custom bikes. And guys, if you want to purchase that particular style of seat, it's available on eBay, and I will post the link in the description below. Alright, we're already at the end of our episode for today, and you're still not subscribed. Do me a favor, click the subscribe button on the lower corner of your screen. Also, hit the notification bell so that you'll receive all of our episodes from the Clueless Biker, because it's always original and informative motorcycle related contents. Always. And that concludes our episode for today, and I hope you guys enjoyed and learned something, and I expect to see you on the next episode. So until then, fuckers, see ya! Like and subscribe for more cat food action.